It's harder at night. The curtain's drawn, can't show my eyes. Do you still think of me? I get a feeling you're lost in a dream.
We are at waiting sa mga bisita.
Sakay na sila?
6:12. 6:12 ng umaga, guys. We are going to Palawan, but the weather is not good.
Sila may nakal siya na?
May bagyo, but let's see.
Sila, magtutuyo pa. Sila may nakal siya na?
Morning! Bye! The gang is complete. Woo! We are ready! Maulan na umaga. Hi! Just safely landed here in Francisco Reyes Airport in Busuanga. So the weather is not really good. Makulimlim siya, guys, but we are safely landed in Busuanga. So yes. So medyo delayed yung flight namin because of the weather. So yes, we are here. Guys, may environmental kang babayaran, which is 200 pesos. Yes. Valeriano, kaya, welcome to Coron. Yay! Hi! Welcome to Block. Si Haya daw kay para makuha sa love. Pa-picture.
Parang sana na gwapo.
Nagsara daw siya. So, we paid 250 for the van, right? But we took private one. We took private, so it's 2,000. Yeah. So, the hotel that we're gonna stay, they offered us to have a private transportation for 2,000. So we're seven, total of 7 packs. So it's a good day, just 250 no like difference. Rather than waiting for another passenger. Because sasakay, guys, worth 2,000. Okay, go inside, go inside. Front ka pa. Front ka pa. Alright. Hi, guys.
Kumala.
Sa front set ang mabayad, ah. Palihog lang, ah. Okay. Hi. 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 Konduktor kali ya. Wow. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Hey!
Tagalog.
May Bisaya, may Tagalog.
Ako.
Yan.
Pero ang local dialect ko, Kuyunin, sa Katakpan ko. Ay, butas. Grabe. Kuya.
Like, what?
Ano yun?
How's your flight, guys?
Tribe.
Very tagal.
Very Tagal, yeah. Yeah, because of the weather, unfortunately, guys. There's bagyo.
Ano siguro, nag-iwas siya sa bagyo.
Mga clouds. Turbulence.
Righty, we're going.
So, it's 45 minutes from Busorga going to Coron proper. Wala siya alam.
Oh, yeah.
Ba't yung ano ni Mundi? Hi guys, dito na kami sa Aras Place. Oh my God. Hi guys, we are finally here sa hostel namin. So, nandito kami sa Aras Place. Nasa downtown lang talaga siya, guys. Nasa center. So, pinili namin to kasi gusto namin na walking distance lang. Malapit lang yung mga kainan, yung mga ganap. And then, at the same time, makakasave kami sa pamasahe kasi nga, kung malayo sa center yung binook namin, so, yung pamasahe ng tricycle, I think 20 or 25 pesos per head. Then, 7 kami. So, at least, masave namin yung 100 something. Diba? So, yeah. And then, may breakfast na din. Included siya sa ng breakfast dito. So, nabayaran namin. Tatlong room kinuha namin. 4 days, 3 nights. Total ng 13,000, guys. So, nabook na rin siya through booking.com. Okay lang naman yung kwarto. Hindi talaga ganun siya ka. Tawag dito? Social. But, it's fine kasi hindi naman kami nagsistay dito throughout the day. May mga tour naman kami, may mga planned mga activities kami. So, technically, matutulog lang talaga kami dito sa room. But, spacious naman yung kwarto. Ngayon, may dalawa kaming bed. Same din sa kanila. Nandito lang kami sa baba. Hindi na kami umakyat, guys. Kasi madami kaming mga luggage. So, mahirap umakyat. So, yeah. May free breakfast kami tomorrow. 6 a.m. until 9 a.m. And then, free coffee throughout the day. Free coffee, free water. So, yeah. So, yeah. Backpackers lang kami, guys. As usual. Yung weather today, hopefully, hindi uulan, pero gloomy siya. Which is good para hindi kami mapagod sa init. Diba? Hindi kami. Okay lang naman. So, yeah. So, right now, it's almost 12 noon. Maghanap kami ng makakainan. Pupunta kami ng downtown or center para magla-lunch kami doon. So, yeah. We'll see you there.
Bye.
It's raining! Umuulan. Hanap kami ng makakainan, guys. Ilanat na din. Hello! Dito kami sa Kawayan Grill. Kami magla-lunch, guys. So, it's already 11:54 in the morning. So, yung vibe dito, ganito. Umuulan, guys. Food is here. Hi guys, tapos na kaming mag-lunch. So right now, oh, naikot-ikot na lang kami. Tunaw ng pagkain. I'm not feeling well, guys. But carry lang, laban. So, nabayaran namin, guys, is 3,000 lang. Hi, guys. Nakabalik na kami dito sa hostel namin. Nasa 3rd floor sila, guys. Nagkape kasi, as what I said, kanina na libre yung kape dito at saka tubig. Hindi ako sumama sa kanila, guys, kasi I'm not feeling well. Parang nilalagnat ako. Grabe yung flu ko, guys. Tapos, buti na lang yung kaibigan ko, nagdala siya ng Berocca. So, I need this. I really need this. Kasi tomorrow, mag-island hopping kami. So, bawal magkasakit, guys. Pumunta ako dito to enjoy. So, yeah, hopefully, guys, tomorrow, magiging okay ako. Talagang today, ewan ko, bigla na lang na yung boses ko, tapos yung I don't know. Let's see, guys. Yung plano today is magre-rest muna kami, matutulog kami, I think 2 hours, 3 hours. Tapos lalabas kami ulit around 4 PM. Pupunta kami sa Mount Tapias. Hopefully, guys, may sunset kasi the weather today is not that bad, pero gloomy and then maambon. So, talagang for sure walang sunset mamaya. But after Mount Tapias, pupunta kami ng Makinit Hot Spring. And then maybe after that, magdi-dinner and then I will look for a place na pwede akong magpa-massage. Afternoon, guys. Update. It's already 4:07 ng hapon. As you can see, guys, yung mata ko. Yung isa maliit. Parang may allergy ako, guys. Kasi bahing ako ng bahing. Tapos, nagluluha yung mata ko. So, right now, parang bibili kami ng antihistamine. But, I'm feeling better. A little bit okay. Hopefully. So, ngayon, pupunta kami ng Mount Tapias or
either pumunta kami ng Mount Tapias and Makinit Hot Spring, or the other day na lang, yung last day na lang na yung Mount Tapias. So, pupunta na lang kami siguro directly sa Makinit Hot Spring. So, let's see guys, di pa namin na-finalize kung ano talaga yung gusto namin. So, yeah, nagpe-prepare na yung mga family. Ako din, tapos na ako. Ito lang, nagdala ako ng mga extra clothes pang palit, pero hindi na ako nagpalit nito. Ito na lang yung gagamitin ko later doon sa Makinit Hot Spring.
Tay, may pag-abot na nag-ulan ba?
Para mainitan dito na.
Wala din ka na.
Hi guys, dito kami sa cashew, ano to? Factory? Souvenir shop.
Cashew.
So we bought some
No,
cashew
cashew
nuts.
the Coron.
Actually, hindi kami natuloy sa Makinit Hot
Balik
Spring.
na lang kami.
Balik kami bukas kasi
No,
the other day. Kasi biglang bumuhos yung malakas na ulan guys. Kasi may bagyo siya. So yeah.
May bagyo guys.
Buti na lang na-refund namin yung pera. Kaya yun. Anyway, what to do?
Happy naman.
Yeah, better safe than sorry guys. Kasi nasa sa tuktok ng bundok. So mahirap bumaba kung lumakas na yung ulan. So yeah. Bye. It's already 6:15 in the evening. Tumila na yung ulan. Bumili lang kami ng mga cashew nuts and some accessories. Dinner time. Asan eh? Andox, guys. We are in Andox.
Andox.
2 minutes walk lang siya from our hostel, guys. Tabi lang siya ng Sharky's restaurant. So, nag-decide kami dito kami mag-dinner and then after mag-inuman sa Sharky. So, yeah. Umorder kami ng lechon baka. Na-try namin lechon baka. It's almost 7:30 in the evening. Medyo okay na ako. Naligo lang ako, guys. Kasi nga, umulan kanina. Yeah, this is the Andox. Hi guys! Nakauwi na kami. Nandito na kami sa hostel namin. So, it's past 11:10 ng gabi guys. And umuulan siya actually. Pero hindi naman malakas. Pabugso-bugso lang. Hopefully by tomorrow guys, okay yung panahon.
Kasi sabi ng news, si Christine, Bagyong Christine, alis na daw sa Philippine Area of Responsibility by tomorrow. So let's see guys. Pero yung plan B namin, if the weather is still not good tomorrow, mag-city tour na lang kami and then ipupush to namin yung Makinit Hot Spring at saka pupunta kami ng Mount Tapias. And then the next day na lang yung island hopping namin. Kasi nga gusto namin na maganda din naman yung weather. Gusto din namin na ma-enjoy namin yung ganang bayad namin. Yun, nandun lang kami sa Sharky Restaurant, Resto Bar. Sobrang enjoy namin. Maganda yung band. Mura lang din doon. So, nag-inuman lang sila saglit. Tapos, yun, nag-chill. Nakikinig sa banda. Ganun lang yung ginawa namin tonight. So, yeah guys, I will end the night. And I see you tomorrow.
I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta